What's up, everyone? This is Bill with BLR Tuning. You guys know what time it is. Nice little sub-aqua shutter there. The dragon heads. I want to say what's up and much love to my Riker community out there. And shout out to Orlando for putting together all this Houston Whap. The party that's going on out there is going to be tremendous. And unfortunately, due to the circumstances that we're in right now, we're just not going to be able to make it. We really wanted to try and get there, and we really wanted to make it happen, but we are just not going to be able to. So, with that being said, here's what we're doing for the Riker community. We want to show our love, and we want to be represented out there. So, we are sending out, we got some radiator grills, intake grills. All of our products come with a QR code. None of this pack it up, put it in the box, and you figure it out. Everything comes with a QR code. You scan that with your smartphone camera. It will bring up a link. You click on the link. It'll take you to the install video and instructions on how to do the install. Okay, you can see there, scan for intake grills, scan for radiator grill. We got our business cards in there. We got a ton of decals. And let me show you what else we're sending out to a friend of ours. Okay, guys, so check it out. I dumped the box out here on the table. This is what we got so far. Anyway, what we did was we reached out to Orlando out there in Texas, and we let them know, hey, you know, we're not going to be able to make it to the Whap. What can we do to help support the Whap? And we want to make sure that BLR Tuning is well represented out there. We want to make sure that we get something out to all of you that are going to be there. We know there's going to be a lot more people than we could ever possibly imagine. But we're sending out over $2,000 worth of our merchandise and gift cards for our website. Okay, so check it out. To start out, we're going to have a $500 off. This is going to be the first place prize. Orlando's going to raffle this off. First place is going to be a $500 gift card for our website off of a DynoJet PV3 with a custom tune. That means you're going to spend maybe $100 and you're going to get a PV3 with a custom tune specifically for your Riker or Spider. Okay, if it's the Riker or Spider, we got you covered. Okay, so that'll be first place on the giveaway. And then the next one is going to be a $200 gift card that covers our entire website, and then a $50 gift card that covers our entire website. And then we have all this stuff going out there. This is just a speck of what we're sending out. So let me cover some stuff real quick for you here. We have shock covers for the Can-Am Riker. So on all of our packaging, you'll see we didn't just throw some random stuff in a box. Everything is packaged up really nice. So shock covers for 2019 to 2023, Can-Am Riker 600 to 900 Ace, color red, retail price $38. Everything you need is right there. Our website, our Etsy shop is right there. If you scan this QR code with your smartphone camera, it will take you to our page where you can follow us. All we ask that you do, follow us on YouTube or follow us on the BLR Tuning Business Facebook page. That's all we ask. Scan this, follow us, get handed a product. That's simple. In the box, or in this package, it, of course, is a decal. We try to match up the colors as best we can if we have that color available. So you got a red decal in there, and then in there is a QR code that you scan, and it will take you to the install video for this product. And then, of course, a business card to get a hold of us. So we got some shock cover there. As you can see, Tro Performance sent us out a stack of decals to send out with our package. Also, DynoJet getting behind the whole thing. So we got a stack of DynoJet decals, DynoJet key tags. Okay, we have key fobs, key tags. These are all for the Can-Am Riker. Again, retail price for each one. It shows you right there. So if you want to order that on our website, you can go check it out and you know exactly what it's going to cost you. Okay. So hit up Orlando, grab yourself a key tag. We got some really nice limited edition ones in there. Throttle assist. This will work on any 7/8 handlebars. We got some hub covers for the Can-Am Riker. These are honeycomb cutout in shock yellow. Again, all your information is right there. We got them right there in red. Gear shift levers. Of course, they say Riker on them. Our fuel hose, fuel overflow extension hose. We're sending out a bundle of these. Okay, again, and the hose isn't going to be too short to where you can't connect it to something. And your zip ties come in the box. Everything's packaged nicely. QR code in there to scan, take you to the install video. Tons of products in here. We got some copper shock covers for the Rally and the 22 Sport. Key tags right here for the Can-Am Spider. Center caps for the Riker. Right, we got tons of stuff going out. Our intake grills, our radiator grills. We're sending out a bunch of stuff to you guys. We hope that you guys are able to get your hands on some of this merch. Go hit up Orlando. We really do apologize for not being able to make it. We want to be there, but we will be there in spirit. And we will have a bunch of our merch there. So hit up Orlando, ask him about the drawings for the 3 gift cards on our website. Again, that's a $500 gift card for a PV3 with a custom tune, a $200 gift card on our website, covers the entire site, and then a $50 gift card. Okay, hit up Orlando, ask him how you get all that in there, and then you know what? I'm gonna box all this up and I'm gonna toss it over to Orlando.
Text message from Bill, BLRTUNING. Hey, just sent you a package and make it to the Whap. See you soon.
We got everything boxed up. We're gonna send this out to Orlando, and we'll let Orlando tell you how to get entered into the giveaway for the gift cards on our website and that DynoJet PV3. We know you guys are gonna love that PV3 with a custom tune. These things scream when they are tuned. They are very locked from the factory. Okay, and then I'll let Orlando tell you where to grab some of our merch. And I guess you'll see Orlando with all of our merch over at the Houston Whap. Orlando, tell them what's up.
I give Bill a text. What? BLRTUNING Whap package. He just text. Nah, man. Yo, shout out to Bill from BLRTUNING. BLRTUNING, man. I can't put them all in my hand, but he giving away some nice product that I will be giving away at the Whap. For instance, the shock cover, short for you got to pack it up nice, and, you know, the price on it. Gold. We have red, gray. We have the gear shift level in orange and other colors. We have the wheel center caps. Also, once you get the product, you know, you scan the code, tell you how to, you know, put the part on, and tell you where to follow Bill on Facebook, Instagram. They have his address, the business. So he got a nice packet up with the BLRTUNING stick. Also, at the Houston Whap, we having a party. We will be raffling off $200 from BLRTUNING. Also, $500 off on DynoJet PV3 tuning, the program, the whole thing. You scan your code, it'll tell you all the things to do to, you know, get with Bill. I will get your contact information, your phone number, and we will, you know, hey, it's $500 for a tune. You want your bike to go fast or even more, it just sounds good, you got a chance to win it at the Whap with $500 off. Also, we got $50 off. $50 off. So how I do these, we'll take the raffle for all in. First drawing would be the $50. Second drawing would be the $200. And the last drawing would be the $500 off on the PCV tuning, the DynoJet. I know y'all can't wait for this one right here. But also, you know, you got the $50 off and the $200 off one. So hey, shout out to Bill from BLRTUNING. Make sure y'all go follow him. And I will see you at the party.